Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my first look of the fall season. Yes, fall is finally here, but we're gonna get into this look first, but keep watching to the end of this video so you can get all the deets on my giveaway.
I'm a beast, I'm a problem. Nigga, let that shit fly. Nigga, you don't want no problem. I be feeling like Batman, my niggas always robbing.
So I'm starting with my Tartelette palette by Tarte, and I'm going to be priming my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to just blend that all over my lid. Now this is for beginners, it's a very natural look, so I'm going to basically talk you through it. So I'm going to use Dreamer to transition the colors onto my lid. So you want to have a transition color to get everything blended really well. And I'm going in with Multitasker into my crease, and I'm blending everything out. And I'm taking my brush and I'm going in with Wanderer to blend that out. You always want to make sure that your colors are staying in place, so you do want to build back your colors. So I'm going back in my crease with Multitasker and I'm blending that together. So I'm going on my lid with Super Mom. Shout out to all the moms out there. But I'm putting that on my lid and it's giving that beautiful natural look. And I'm going with Bombshell in the outer corner, and I'm going to blend it out. And I want to make sure everything is packed on, so I'm just going back on with those same colors and I'm blending everything out, making sure everything is flawless. Of course, you want to be snatched out here. So I'm taking Free Spirit, I'm putting that on my brow bone, and of course blending once again. You have to remember, as a beginner, you're going to be blending, like that's going to be your thing. So I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeliner and I'm doing a cute little cat liner. Yes. I'm taking my lashes, I'm applying my lashes. Let me know down below if you want me to do a lash video for you or how I apply my lashes. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and I can show you guys how to do it. So I'm gonna check myself out real quick, make sure I'm on fleek. Yes. So I'm taking my Edge Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Merlot, and I'm going to be applying that to my lips. I love this lipstick because it has a minty type of feel in your lips, and it feels like it's conditioning your lips at the same time. So this is the finished look, and let's get into the deets on my giveaway. Let me take a selfie real quick. What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it's been mad long since I've been recording on YouTube, whatever, uploading videos, but I have a couple of updates. And I'm also going to be letting you guys know about my giveaway that I have coming up. So first and foremost, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, being loyal subscribers and watching my videos, commenting, talking to me and all that good stuff. Like, I really appreciate y'all. Y'all the reason why I keep recording and keep coming back to this, even though it's been like a long road. Well, it's behind me now. I just want to let you know that I appreciate you guys, and I made it to 500 subbies. I'm mad excited. And I have a giveaway. Like, I want to give back to you guys for showing, well, I want to show you guys my appreciation. A couple of updates. I'm finished with school. Like, I'm dead a graduate. Like, I'm mad hyped. Like, I'm so happy. I'm trying to take my exam so I can get, you know, licensed as a cosmetologist and all that. So I'm just waiting to do that, waiting for an exam date and everything. So yeah, like, that's basically it. I'm going to be having more videos coming because, you know, I'm done with school. Like I said, when I'm done with school, videos are gonna be back, and they're gonna be like coming back to back or whatever. So let me know what you guys want to see. Like, I want to be able to entertain you guys and give you guys what you want, of course. Like, I want to do a couple of mukbangs. I hope I said that right. I want to do some try-on hauls. I want to do different things on my channel besides hair and makeup, even though that's, you know, my forte, but I do want to introduce other things to y'all. Okay, so these are the giveaway rules. They're pretty simple, so I'm just gonna read them off my phone. So you must be subscribed to my channel, you must be following my IG pages, Queen E Beauty and Finesse Me Co. I'm gonna put everything down below. I'm also gonna put all this in the description bar so you would know. Just tag 3 friends under the post and share the post to your story so I can enter you into the giveaway. And I'm running the giveaway from now until October 20th. That's around the time I'll upload this video. I want to let the giveaway be running for 1 month so you guys have a chance to enter and it like work and really get around and everything. So the giveaway gift honestly is going to be a gift card. I really don't know what anybody likes. Like some people like makeup, some people don't. So I'm gonna give a gift card from Ulta, so you have an option to get hair products, makeup products, or skin products. That really is how you enter into the giveaway. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to click a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna check y'all in my next video. Peace.